What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video. I know it's been a while. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Skullcandy Crusher Evos. And I bought these for myself. They weren't sent to me. Purchased these on my own. I've been in the market for a long time for wireless over-the-air headphones. I bought like some cheap $20 ones that were kind of okay, but on the battery life just wasn't good. And these had the sensory bass, which actually makes the headphones shake on your ear. Now, for a long time, and when I ran my studio for about 10 years, I used to always purchase the Sennheiser HD280s. The first time I listened to these things, I loved them. Sometimes I would buy the Sony MDR. I can't remember the model name, but I've had the Sony, I've had the ATH, but I've always just really liked the Sennheiser. So recently, this is the most recent pair I bought, and I haven't been happy with the sound at all. Not to mention they don't also have a cord, so I'm not sure if these are bootleg. I don't think they're bootleg, but I don't know. Like the build of them, like they just start falling apart. I don't wear these that often, as you can see. But yeah, like just start peeling away, and I don't know, man. I just haven't been happy with those. So, like I said, I was in the market for a long time, and I finally decided to grab the Crusher Evos after watching tons of reviews on them and hearing a lot of great things about these headphones. So, once again, the sensory bass, 40 hours of battery life, and I don't know. So let's just unbox them and see what we got. I'm sure you guys have probably already watched a lot of different videos, so I think this is a very good presentation so far. Feel the Bass tuned just for you. So I guess there's an app you can download. Not I guess, I know there's an app you can download, and you can tune it based on how your ears, how you perceive the music is how you can tune it. So you can use the app and tune everything. So they're in a nice little bag here. Some very nice graphics explaining everything. Has like a plasticky type of smell, which is kind of normal. So here's the user guide. What is this? Is this a warranty or something? Form for technical support. Here is, what is this? Oh, so this looks like the cabling. So, or maybe some of the cabling, not all. But let's get this open. So this is your 1/8 inch. So you can plug these in directly without using the battery. Well, I don't know if you use the battery or not, but you can plug them in directly. Here is your USB-A to USB-C, so you can charge them. I heard they charge really fast also, so that is a great feature. Oh, I like this. I like this pack. So you have your clip here, your clamp. I don't know how. What do you do with this? Do you clamp this to your jeans? Instructions: insert headphones, roll top 2 times, close buckle. So it actually gives you instructions on how to put these in the carrying case properly. So boom, it's open. I mean, they didn't do it like that, so I don't know. I think they're explaining how to properly close the headphones. Maybe that's what they're talking about. And here they are. They're very light. They're actually lighter than the HD2. No, they feel about the same. But maybe that's because the cord is inside the HD280s. So, let's see. How big are the cups? So the HD280 definitely has a larger covering to cover your ear. So I don't know how I'm going to feel about that. Let me put these on real quick just to give you guys some initial impressions. Where's the left? Where's the right? That's the left. That's the right. So they don't feel that tight on your head. I actually heard a lot of people mention they feel like very tight on their head. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe it's because I have a big head, or maybe my head just isn't small. I don't know. The HD280s are a lot tighter. But once again, you know, I've always worked in the studio, and I've been in the studio most of my life. So like studio headphones are really tight. And I've heard a few people complain that these are tight and are uncomfortable. But in my opinion, they're not. I wish they were a little bit tighter. I like my headphones to like grip around my head. The ones that are over ear headphones. Like I like that nice tight feeling around my head. And these just aren't. Nah, they just ain't giving it. They don't, like, I kind of feel like if I move the wrong way, these will fly off my head. So I'm not crazy about that, but I don't know. I'll come back and give you guys a review about how they sound after they're all set up, and that'll be a separate video because I have other videos to shoot, and I'll be back soon. So thanks for watching. You got any questions, make sure you drop a comment. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll be back soon. Peace.